Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching my video. So thanks all of you guys. I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to talk about ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT and how to improve your speaking skill. You know guys, ChatGPT it's a very helpful for beginner. Yes, Chat GPT is a way improve your language, improve your English skill. Therefore, you use this Chat GPT. But how to chat use this Chat GPT? You know, guys, you can ask um, any questions, talk about your family, talk about your life, talk about your weather. You can ask any questions. uh, Chat gpt will be give you your answer. Therefore chat gpt it's a very helpful for you. You know guys, I can't speak english without chat gpt. It's a very helped a lot of me and my improve my speaking skill. You know guys, I am using this chat gpt app 2 months. First time I can't speak english, I can't make simple sentences, but nowadays as you can see guys, I can speak english. So you know guys, I'm sitting on my roof and talk to with you speaking english. And now it's 7 o'clock and weather is so calm and sun is set. Sun had set and talk to with speaking english. So you know guys, I'm so excited for speaking english. I want to become a fluent speaker. I want to become a english trainer. But you know guys, I have no particular book, I have no particular english classes, I have no particular english trainer, but I can speak english without hesitation, without feel shy, definitely. Yes teacher. Yes guys, therefore you know guys, you um ask any questions to chat gpt. How to improve my speaking skill, how to improve my english language. You can ask how to make tea, how to make any vegetable. You know guys, chat gpt you give you uh, your answer clearly and smoothly. Yes, therefore if you are any words don't understand meanings, uh, you can ask chat gpt, please give me these words meanings. Chat gpt give a answer. Therefore you know guys, I am using this app 4 years and you know, for a month I'm using this 4 month. You know guys, nowadays chat gpt app it's a very it's free, all free. But as you can see guys, after 1 years, after 2 years, you will pay money, definitely. Therefore you have a choice, you have opportunity, and it use english language just tools. Therefore you can use this app and improve your speaking skill, improve your language. You know guys, I'm so happy because I have a chat gpt app and um, chat gpt and improve my speaking skill. I don't miss one day, I daily my routine talk to with chat gpt app 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Yes, but you daily take a new topic, and try to speak English. If you are a don't you can't speak proper any topic, you ask you should ask uh, to chat gpt. Chat gpt, please give me information about plant, about family, about weather, about sky, about my house. Therefore you try to reading with chat gpt, will be improve your speaking skill and improve your language. Therefore guys, I daily don't miss one day try to speak English, and as you can see my English is improving, and um, I become a fluent speaker. Yes, I am not perfect just like you, but first time I can't speak English. I can't make simple sentences. If you are any sentence don't how to make sentences in English. So you know guys, chat gpt speak in English. Chat gpt can speak in Hindi, and chat gpt can speak English. Therefore you try to speak in English, try to Hindi in English. Therefore I said you chat gpt app is a very important for beginner and important for you, because you want to speak English, you want to become a flute speaker, you want to become an English trainer. It's a lot of useful for you, and improve your speaking skill and improve your language. Therefore I said you guys, as you can see weather is so dark, and I talk to with you, and I'm try to speak with you. You can speak English, you can do it, because you first try to conversation chat gpt, speak chat gpt, and improve your language, improve your speaking skill. Therefore guys, and therefore I am so excited for speaking English. I am so excited for become a fluent speaker. But nowadays I feel improve my speaking skill and improve my language. I can speak English without hesitation, without feel shy with someone. But you are alone, you said me I have no particular book, I have no particular English trainer how to improve my speaking skill, how to improve my language. As you know guys, you don't be feel shy, you don't be feel hesitation, you try to only speak English, because I am alone, I have no particular book, particular English trainer, particular English classes, but I can speak English without hesitation, without feel shy. You can speak English because you are alone, you have a big opportunity, don't disturb you, and you can use this app, improve your speaking skill and improve your language. Therefore you now let's start download your phone this app, and improve your speaking skill, improve your language. Don't stop anything else, you start download this app and improve your speaking skill. I hope this video understood and helpful for you, for beginner. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching video. Keep shining, keep growing. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye. So bye bye.